Indonesia is the major supplier of the bird's nest, exporting around 2,000 tons per year. The bird's nest industry in Indonesia is an estimated $260 million US. It's no secret that this industry is a lucrative one, so it's not easy to find a bird's nest supplier that refuses to take any shortcuts.
Golden Nest refuses to take shortcuts. We are dedicated to providing the purest quality bird's nest and bird's nest products in the United States. We exceed all top safety regulations with our meticulous manufacturing process.
Golden Nest uses the traditional hand washing method to clean our authentic nests, even though this process takes an incredible amount of hours to complete. Only about 30% of our total harvest makes it into production by the third examination because of how strict we are with nest quality. All of our production plants are in the US and are FDA-approved.
99% of the bird's nests we have come from our own farm, so we control it from the first step until the last step. So a nice way to put it would be farm to table.
Golden Nest carries only the genuine bird's nests in all different grades and groupings. Explore our wide range of high-quality bird's nest products today.